Hi guys, I want to introduce to us 4 beautiful hairs that we can use to make money and start earning so easily. Just market it on your social media, on your status, and start making money ASAP. These hairs are beautiful. This is the number one. This hair is so beautiful, so pretty and affordable. 8,746 naira, and it's free shipping to any country, to Nigeria, to West Africa, to America, to any country you want to ship it to. Is free shipping. You can use this hair to make money. When you buy it, at least you spend at least 8,000 naira. You have to sell this hair more than 15,000. You can sell it 20,000. Okay, it depends on how you market it. See different colors, beautiful. Look at this green color, look at this blue. Wow, look at this, look at the black, so beautiful. Look at this color. Have you ever seen this color? The hair is so pretty. Buy this hair, order it. Click at the link below this video, the link to go to AliExpress and buy this hair by yourself, and they will ship it in. Even if you want to use it, the hair is so pretty and it is original. It will last. The hair is so unique. If you want to use it for yourself, or you want to buy for your wife or your brother, your sisters, your relative or your friend or your girlfriend, the hair is so beautiful. It's very good. Okay, you can still use it to make money. Whether you're a man or a woman, you can make money. Just market it. This is the second hair. This one is straight, fresh, beautiful, cute hair. Look at how soft it is. This is elegant. Look at the texture. Very soft. It's just like bone straight. The hair is so good. Okay, you go to AliExpress, click on the link below this video, and you will see the link that will take you to AliExpress direct, where you will buy this hair. It's so affordable and it's free shipping to Nigeria and to other countries. It's free shipping hair. You can't afford to lose this hair. This hair is so beautiful. Look at the testimony of other people that have bought this hair. The hair is so nice. Look at the colors. It has about 13 different unique beautiful colors. Look at the colors. Look at the white. Wow. Look at this combination. Wow. You can't afford to lose this. Buy it for yourself. Use it to do business and make money and live larger. If you are looking for a way of getting extra income, this is the best way to make money. Okay, this hair is so pretty. It's so beautiful. You can't afford to lose this hair. Start making money. This one is another unique and beautiful hair. Look at the way it is. It's a bone straight hair. So beautiful. You make money. You make big money with this hair, and it's so affordable. Look at the hair. Please start making money. Start making money ASAP. Start making money. Look at this hair. You can style it any style you want. This hair is so beautiful, so soft. Okay, you can't afford to lose this hair. When you display this hair on your status, anyone that knows good hair will know that this hair is a very good hair, and they will buy it from you. Okay, you can't afford to remain at a place. Start making money for yourself. Start making money. Buy for your personal use, buy for your girlfriend, buy for your wife, buy for your sister, buy for your mother. The hair is beautiful and it's affordable and it's free shipping. You can't afford to lose this. I've bought like 3 for myself. Okay, look at the price, 7,800 naira, and it's free shipping. They will ship it to Nigeria, to any country of your choice. These are the testimonies of people that have bought this hair. The hair is so nice. Look at this color, look at the shape. You can style them any style you want. Look at the black, look at this pink, look at this another shade of pink, look at this one, ox blood, look at this. The hair is so beautiful. Just make your choice, choose any color you want and order this hair. Display them, just screenshot the pictures and you can collect the video, download the video, upload them on your status. People will start asking for them. Look at another beautiful hair. Look at it, look at the texture. This one is so beautiful, so elegant. Look at the length, look at the texture. Wow, my friend, start making money today. Start making money with this hair. Display them on your status, display them on your social media, upload them. Okay, put the link, upload them, put the price. This one is a little bit on the high side, but it's so beautiful, 35,600. This hair is so beautiful. It has so many lengths. It's so beautiful. Look at the testimony of people that have bought this hair. This hair is so beautiful. Okay, look at this girl now. Look at the hair, look like 150,000 hair. Look at her, look at her. You can't afford to lose this. This hair is so pretty. Look at her, look at her face, look at the hair, look at the beauty, look at how the way the beauty is radiating. Look at different styles you can style the hair. Look at the hair, it's so beautiful. Look at styles. Okay, just display them on your status, upload them on your social media, start making money, or buy it for yourself, or buy for your mother, your sister, your girlfriend, your wife. They will love the hair. The hair is so beautiful. It looks elegant. It looks like rich lady, thick auntie's hair. It's so beautiful and it's original. Okay, if you buy this hair, you cannot regret it. You can't regret it. The hair is so beautiful. It's so beautiful. You will love it. You will love the hair. It's so beautiful, so soft. You can style any style you want. Start making money today. This hair, you can sell this hair 80,000. You can sell it 70. You can sell it 60. It depends the length. It depends who you are selling it to. Okay, you can make money with this hair. You can make good money with this hair. Okay, the thing is, as you have the ones that are affordable, the ones that are a little bit on a high side, like this one now. It's so, look at the texture. Look at my big girls, you can't afford to lose this. Buy this hair for yourself.